Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how the filters feature works on the Footy Amigo Fixtures page. So the Fixtures page is the page that shows you all the games from all over the world that is going to be played for a particular day. So I can click on a country like China and I can see all the games scheduled to be played today, and I can also see all the stats. And I can go back to a day like yesterday to see the games played on that day. So if I click on Brazil as well, I can see that this game was played yesterday. So this page shows you all the games, and I can also go in the future as well. So I can go to on the 10th tomorrow to see all the games scheduled to be played for that day. So this page allows you to see all the games played in the past and all the games played today and all the games that are going to be played tomorrow. So now the question is, how do I filter this page? Because as you can see, tomorrow, for example, there's going to be close to 1,500 games played all over the world. So now how do I filter this page in order to find some games based on certain rules? So that is why we launched this filters feature. So if I click on it, I can add some rules to filter this page. For example, I can say, okay, I want you to filter this page and show me teams that have played, let's say 9 games, both of the teams overall. I can save that rule and I can say, okay, let me add another rule saying they must have had, let's say the streak, and let's say 1.5 goals. Let's say 1.5 goals percentage in the last 5 games for both teams is, let's say 80. And let's do both teams overall. I can click save rule and I can just set my outcome to be over 1.5 total goals, and I can just set that and I can click on search. So now this fixtures page is going to be filtered based on the rules I have just set. So as you can see, all these games are going to be played today and they fit this rule I have set, right? And as you can see, these 2 games have been played already, and it shows green because they actually had because they had 2 goals in the match. So that is how you use the filters feature to just quickly filter this page based on specific rules. Now the question is, what if I already have strategies created in my account and I just want to filter this page based on the strategies I already have in my account? So if I come to my PreMatch strategies for this account, I have 5 strategies and I have 2 trusted and 3 still testing. So what if I want to filter this fixture page, right, based on the rules set in my strategy? So to do that, all you have to do is click on filters and then click on saved, and you're going to be able to see your trusted strategies and your testing strategies. So if I want to filter this page using this strategy, all I have to do is just click on use, and it's going to then filter this page to show me games that fits the rules for that strategy. So I can always, just see, okay, these are the games scheduled today for this strategy of mine, right? So I can always come back here and I can say, okay, cool. I want to clear that and I want to filter using this strategy. So I can just click on use, right? And it's going to then filter the fixture page based on the rules set in that strategy. So I can also go back to a day in the past to see how that strategy is actually performed based on the fixtures for that day. So if I go to on the 6th, for example, I can see that these were the games for that day and these were the ones that were a win or a loss based on the rules used in that strategy. And I can also go to the future as well, and I can click on 10th to see all the games that are going to be scheduled for that day based on the rules used in my strategy, right? So you are able to filter the fixture page based on rules that you want, or you're also able to filter it based on strategies you already have in your account. So that is how to use the filters feature to quickly filter the fixture page based on either rules you want to set by yourself, or you can actually filter it based on created strategies in your account. So if you have 10 strategies or 5 strategies or 20 strategies or 200 strategies in your account, you're able to quickly filter the fixture page by selecting that specific strategy and then just click on use, and it's going to then filter the page to show you games that fit the rules in that strategy. And if the games has been played, it's going to show you the results if it was a win or a loss based on the rules that you have set. So that is exactly how you take advantage of the filter feature to filter the fixtures page to find games that are interesting to you. Thank you so much for your time, amigo. Have a great day.